Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The world of technology is always changing. So Google Sites this school year, 2016-2017, has updated. So I'm creating an updated video for you. Now, for Google Sites, you're going to want to follow the directions carefully. And if you do, you're going to get an A+ on this assignment. So ultimately, your final product is going to look either like the old example or the new one, which I'm going to pull up. Now, if you are very tech savvy, you're going to want to consider doing the old site because there's more options. It's more established. But if you're someone who's has a very basic understanding of technology, or you just like keeping things simple, this is a great way to integrate all of the components that you're going to need on your Google site. For today, you just need you need to set up your website, you need to add pictures, and you're going to create a short paragraph about who you are. So, for example, if you look at mine, here are my girls. Here are all 5 units that you're going to need, as well as a little bit about me. You will eventually have a link to my homepage, so you're going to have a link to this particular website because I'm going to be adding class pictures and links to your websites from this website. So we're going to create a network that will allow us to communicate all the great work that we're doing over the semester. So what do I need to do? Well, again, if you follow these directions, you'll be good to go. You need to name all of your tabs Unit 1, Relationships, Unit 2, Inspiration, and so forth. Have a brief bio and have a picture of yourself, which you can grab off of Instagram, or if you have any pictures online, you should be able to access those as well. Again, it should be really organized and easy to follow. But, Suko, how do I create a Google site? Well, if you go onto a regular Google page and you go up to this little apps button, go to Sites. Here you'll be allowed to create, and you can create in classic sites, so that's the old version. Again, if you're someone who really likes fancy layouts, you feel very comfortable with creating a website, this is where I would go. If you're someone who is less tech savvy or has never created a site before, I would go to the new site. So that's what I'm going to walk you through. All right, so first thing we're going to title it. Title it your name. So Steph Suko speech website. Then I'm going to add that title here as well. Now, if I click on this box here, I'll be able to add a text box, add images, add links, or upload to this website. So if you have any pictures saved or downloaded to your Chromebook, you're going to want to upload them here. So I'm going to start with the text box. Here's where I can add. Here's where I'd put my About Me. I can make it smaller, bigger. I can move it over to the side. I could put it in the middle. So there's all sorts of things that I can do to play around with this. I can play around with text as well. Then I can upload my images. And if I upload an image here, let's see what's on my desktop. I have lots of pictures of my kids. So we'll just go to the first picture here. So I added that file. I'm going to hit upload. Then I'll be able to access that. So here's where I put my About Me. Here's my picture. Now, I'm going to want to go to a few other tabs up here. Pages will allow me to add pages, and it's as easy as that. So my first unit is Unit 1, Relationships. I'm going to add 5 of these. Done. I can continue to add them. I'm going to want them to be under the home page. Unit 2. So if I go to the home page here, since these are these are subpages, I'll be able to access them up here on this toolbar, which you can make it a side navigation or you can make it top navigation. That's entirely up to you. Then themes will allow me to choose very basic fonts, very basic styles, but it's going to look really clean. So you can have fun with that. You can go to preview to see what it looks like from the website perspective. You can go to see what it looks like on a mobile site or a tablet, which is kind of neat. This is obviously the side navigation. And so again, there would be 5 units here and my home page, and my home page is going to have my pictures, my about me. You can put as many pictures as you want, and that is that. The last thing that I want you to do is to publish your website. So you're going to hit publish here. You're going to need to name your site. So Steph's Speech website. And who can visit my site? I'm going to say anyone on the web. I'm not going to allow my website to appear in search results. So the only way people would be able to access this website is if they had this URL. So once I get my approval for my URL, I'm going to publish it. Then I'm going to view my website so I can take a look at what it looks like. Copy. I'm going to copy the URL. And then I'm going to go back to today's agenda, and I'm going to submit my website URL here. So put my name, what period it is, and then paste my link to my Google site. And then I'm ready to go. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this video, this walkthrough, was a good reminder of what we went over in class. All right, good luck. I can't wait to see your website.